chapter. It tells us about the sacrifices of forefathers for this land in British India. We all were under chain. Our rights were compromised. We felt suffocated. Our social, political and economical conditions were very bad. And in the end, it was not an honor for Indians to live under of foreign forces. Several is a curve. You can see it around the world. What is the situation of those nations who are still today? We should be more than thankful to our leaders who have realized it. Dear friends, we all are gathered here today not only to chant slogan or do formality. Our land needs us more than anything. We have to fulfill the promises that we have been doing with our land. No doubt we are a free land, but this free land is surrounded by a host of problems. We are facing many incidents today, like the incidents of overpopulation, youth unemployment, poverty, underdevelopment of rural areas, and the last 75 years have also shown famine, floods, poverty, diseases, spreading corruption, and discrimination. This is the negative aspect of freedom. And last 2.5 years, our country and other countries are fighting with coronavirus disease means COVID-19. Apart from all of these problems, our country has many good things to offer. We are a nuclear power country. We have a large and brave army. Our borders are protected and our enemies fear us. We are the world's largest democracy of free and happy people. We are politically powerful, economically strong and militarily advanced. We get the youth. We are the future of our nation of tomorrow. We need to look at the problems and find the solution immediately. We have to be united, as our great leader Netaji said. The future depends on what we do in the present. Therefore, we have to utilize our today for a better tomorrow. And in a gentle way, we can shape the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Thanking you one and all.
Thank you, Vindashri, for giving wonderful speech. To show our deep devotion and attachment to our homeland, here comes a group of singers with joy. Now I would like to call 8th standard girls for a group song.
ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯ ಮಗನಾಗು ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸಿರಿಯಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಬಡವರ ಕಂಬನಿ ಒರೆಸುವ ನಾಯಕ ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಬಡವರ ಕಂಬನಿ ಒರೆಸುವ ನಾಯಕ ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತೀಯರ ವಿಶ್ವ ಪ್ರೇಮವ ಮೆರೆಸುವ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಭವ್ಯ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವ ಬೆಳಗುವ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಬೆಳಗುವ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಭೂಮಂಡಲದ ಹಾಹಾಕಾರವ ನೀಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು ಭೂಮಂಡಲದ ಹಾಹಾಕಾರವ ನೀಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು ಮಾರಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ದೂರಗೈಯುವ ವೀರ ಶಿರೋಮಣಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಮಾರಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ದೂರಗೈಯುವ ವೀರ ಶಿರೋಮಣಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡವನೇ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ಕಾಣುವ ಯೋಗಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು ಕಾಣುವ ಯೋಗಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯ ಮಗನಾಗು ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸಿರಿಯಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
This is the great song nicely sung. Next, I would like to call Inchara from 3rd standard to give a speech in Kannada.
ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 75ನೆಯ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇಂಚರಾಯೆ. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನದಂದು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಚಾಚಾ ನೆಹರು, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಮಂಗಳ ಪಾಂಡೆ ಇವರಂಥ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ನಮನಗಳು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು 300 ವರ್ಷ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಚ್ಚಾ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿದ್ಧ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಿದರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ದೋಚಿ ತಿಂದರು. ಗುಡಿ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂಥ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.
Thank you, Inchara, for your informative speech. Now, I would like to call Amruta from 5th standard to give her speech in English.
Hi, my name is Amruta and I am studying in 5th standard. I am telling about Independence Day speech. Good morning everyone, respected chief guest, principal sir, all my teachers and friends. I would like to say thank you to give me such a great opportunity to say something about Independence Day. It's my pleasure to deliver a small speech on this Independence Day. India became independent on August 15, 1947 from the British slavery. This year we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. At first I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival and is also a public holiday. This is a day for us to remember our freedom fighters. On this day, national flag is hoisted on every public place. We can celebrate this day singing patriotic songs, performing cultural activities and sharing sweets. So this day remarks the respect to our freedom fighters and is very special occasion to every citizen of India. It is our duty to preserve unity of our country. I am proud to be an Indian and I would like to take a pledge that I will share my country as I can wish you all glorious Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Amrita, for your valuable words. Next, I would like to call Asha and team for pyramid dance. Thank you guys. That was an amazing, lovely and incredible performance.
Next, I would like to call our dearest Aishwarya and group to sing a song that is Jenda Uncha.
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला। मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। इसकी शान न जाने पाए, चाहे जान भले ही जाए। विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए, तब होवे प्रण पूर्ण हमारा, तब होवे प्रण पूर्ण हमारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। Thank you.
This was a great song, nicely sung.
Next, I would like to call Gunashri from 9th standard to give her English speech.
Hi, good morning to all. Present here on this Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 76th Independence Day, completing 75 years of independence. You all know that India became free India on 15th August 1947 after 200 years of British rule. We got it through hard struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed. Independence Day is like the birthday of our country. It is celebrated as a national festival throughout the country. It is called the Red Letter Day in the history of our country. Every year 15th August is commended as a public celebration with flag hoisting, marches and social works. Schools, universities, workplaces, society buildings, governments, both state and center and private associations celebrate this day beautifully. On this day, the Prime Minister of India will hoist the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi and addresses the country by a speech. On this day, 1947, after a stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag marking in the end of 200 years of British rule in India. During their rule, the Indians were treated as slaves and they had no freedom of speech. On this special day, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contributions of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. India could not have achieved independence without the efforts of numerous leaders and extraordinary freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rani of Jhansi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil. Several women, namely Savitribai Phule, Mahadevi Verma, Captain Lakshmi Sehgal, Rani Lakshmi Bai and Basanti Devi are crucial names who played significant part in the Indian freedom movement. We pay homage to all these people on this day for their significant contributions in making independent India. Not all British rulers were cruel. Some good People like Warren Hastings, Freda Beatty and Alan Octavian Hume did incredible things to adore India. This day we remember the struggles of freedom and lives sacrificed them in attaining independence. It was in fact attained by shedding the blood of hundreds of individuals. It stirs patriotism inside each resident of India. What is the significance of Independence Day? It is a positive event for the country. It unites diverse individuals all over the country. Unity in diversity is the fundamental path and strength of India. We feel pleased and proud to be a part of this biggest democratic country. Independence Day is observed with the great honor at all government and private institutions, schools and colleges. Students take part in parades, sing national anthem and other patriotic songs. Some special social programs like planting trees, cleaning the premises of schools, offices and are taken up on this day. It reminds us that our forefathers had done their share of duty and now it lies in our hands. How we can shape and form the future of our country. A wind of patriotism and national integration blows across the country on this day. Though substantial progress has been achieved in several fields in the country, much remains to be achieved, especially in case of economic equality. Government of India has been sponsoring many schemes for the benefit and upliftment of depressed and economically weaker sections. Last but not the least, that we as student community pledge to stand by the solidarity of our country in discharging our duties as citizens of India. Let us all realize our responsibilities in inculcating good habits and manners and put forth our sincere efforts to mold our student career for our better future. Let us focus our attention to make best use of full potential in our studies, not showing any sort of negligence. Let us prove ourselves worthy of good students and ultimately good citizens of India. Let us salute our national flag, showing our commitment towards building our bright future. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Thank you, honored audience.
Thank you, Gunashri, for giving wonderful speech.
Now I request our mathematics teacher Noor Jahan ma'am to say few words about Independence Day.
Good morning everyone. Good morning ma'am. I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. So everyone, your friends and your teachers already told everything about related to Independence Day. So how our freedom fighters struggled lot to get the freedom for our country. Now I would like to say few things about this Independence Day. So why I am mentioning this Independence Day? Because our India has completed 75 years of independence. Because of this Independence Day is titled as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Did you hear? So this Independence Day is titled as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So not only that, so many special events has been conducted on this Independence Day. Like government has aimed to hoist 200 million tricolors this Independence Day. So to make this possible, our Honorable Prime Minister has given the permission to hoist the flag at every house from August 13 to August 15. And also they have considered the Independence Week from August 11 to August 17. And along with that, one more thing I would like to share that yesterday, to make this Independence special, at the coast of Andaman and Nicobar, underwater flag has been hoisted. Are you hearing me? Did you hear what did I say? So yesterday, at the coast of Andaman and Nicobar, underwater flag has been hoisted successfully for the first time. Okay, so this day, now moving on to this celebration of this day. So your teachers and your friends has been told that how our freedom fighters have struggled a lot to get the freedom for our country. So So it is not only the day to celebrate, it is also a day to remember all those freedom fighters and also to pay tribute to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to get the freedom for our country. I don't take your much time, so I think all of you are hungry, so I won't take you much time. So I'll end my speech by saying this thought. So ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की है, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की है, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। Last but not the least, I am proud to say that I am Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am, for your meaningful speech.
I would like to invite girls of class 8th and 9th for a mashup group dance. Here they expressing their love for the nation. They enthralled you with a dance performance. India is a land of diversity in culture, religions, languages, of course in dance. We have in Bhangra, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Yakshagana, etc. It is not like those, but how can you forget mashup dance? I must say everyone like and enjoy mashup dance. It's a great performance. Thank you guys.
Next, Pragna from 10th standard will give her speech in Kannada. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ, ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೇ, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದವೇ, ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ, 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಸಂತಸದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾವು ಭಾರತ 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 1947ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಪಡೆಯಿತು ಎಂದು ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿನಾಡುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಎಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಊಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇಶದ ಮಹಾನ್ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರಾದ ನೇತಾಜಿ ಬೋಸ್, ನೆಹರು, ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ತಿಲಕ್, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅನೇಕ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು ದೇಶದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯಾಸಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವಜರಿಂದ ಹೆದರಿದ ಭಯಾನಕ ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಊಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಹಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವು ಪ್ರಪಂಚಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸುಸ್ಥಾಪಿತ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸಲು ಶ್ರಮ ವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಭಾರತ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯ ದೇಶ, ನಾವು ಅದರ ನಾಗರಿಕರು. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಜನರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಲು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾಗಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್. Thank you, Pragna, for your informational speech.
Next, I would like to invite girls of 9th standard for patriotic group song.
जहान से अच्छा पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का सारे जहां से अच्छा वो संत ही हमारा वो पासवा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियां गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियां गुलशन है जिनके दम से रश के जीना हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना मजहब नहीं अच्छा। हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Thank you, dear friends, for your heartwarming song. Next, Pavani from third standard will give her speech in English.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Pavani. I am studying in third standard. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating 75th Independence Day of our country. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence